Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy grammar tools with Grammarly beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Grammarly's website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required details or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once signed in, you'll see the Grammarly dashboard. Here, you can select the platform where you want to deploy Grammarly. For web browsers, look for the browser extension option. Choose your browser from the list provided. Click on the Add to Browser button. Follow the prompts to install the extension. After installation, the Grammarly icon will appear in your browser's toolbar. Next, open a new tab to test Grammarly in a text area. You can try it in an email, a document, or even in social media posts. Type out a few sentences to see how Grammarly suggests improvements. Be sure to explore the suggestions it provides. You can click on each suggestion to see more details. If you're using Microsoft Word, download the Grammarly add-in from the dashboard. Open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Insert tab. Click on Get Add-ins and search for Grammarly. Select Grammarly and click on Add to install it. Once added, you should see a Grammarly pane on the right side. Now, you can start typing or open an existing document. Grammarly will automatically check your grammar and style. For mobile users, download the Grammarly app from the App Store or Google Play. Follow the instructions to install it on your device. Once installed, log in or create an account if prompted. You can now use Grammarly to check your writing on the go. Make sure to explore different settings to customize your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.